The phone on the empty bench. Early on Saturday, Daniel leaves his apartment because he wants a quiet walk before the city becomes busy. The weather is cool, and the park near his street is still half empty. Daniel likes this park because it feels calm at the start of the day. There is a small pond, one empty bench, a line of old trees, and several benches around the walking path. That day, however, something unusual catches his eye. On a green bench near the pond, there is a phone. The bench itself is empty. No bag, no jacket, no person nearby. Just one black phone with its dark screen facing the sky. Daniel slows down. At first, he thinks someone must be sitting nearby and will come back in a second. He looks left and right, but no one seems to notice the phone. Daniel stops in front of the bench. The phone is still there, and the bench stays empty. He does not touch it right away. But after almost a minute, nothing changes. Finally, he picks it up. The phone screen turns on at once. There are 3 missed calls from someone called Mom. A message also appears on the lock screen. Where are you? We are waiting near the North Gate sign under the tall tree. Daniel reads the message twice. Now the phone feels less like a lost object, and more like a small problem that is still happening somewhere in the park. He looks back at the black bench, then toward the North Gate sign and the tall trees beside the path. A second bench stands near the gate sign, and one tree leans over the path. It is not very far, but the park is big enough that one visitor could easily miss another here. The phone begins to ring. Daniel almost jumps. The screen shows the same name. Mom. He hesitates for a second, then answers. Hello. He says carefully. There is a short silence, then Jack's worried mother speaks. Jack. Where are you? Sorry, Daniel says quickly. I am not Jack. I found this phone on a bench near the pond, under the trees. Jack's mother lets out a long breath. Oh, thank goodness. Are you his mother? Yes. We came to the park together a short time ago. He was feeding ducks with his little sister, and his blue bag was beside the bench. Then he ran after a red ball, and after that. She stops. I thought he still had his phone. Daniel looks around again, this time more carefully. Are you still near the North Gate sign? He asks. Yes. We are by the snack stand. My daughter is with me. I can bring the phone there. Please. Thank you. Daniel starts walking quickly along the path. When Daniel reaches the snack stand, he sees Jack's mother in a gray coat holding the hand of a little girl. The girl has a red ball under one arm. Both of them look tense. Excuse me, Daniel says. Jack's mother turns at once. The phone. Daniel nods and places it in her hand. Relief appears on her face immediately. Thank you so much, she says. My son must have left it on the bench while he was helping his sister. Before Daniel can answer, a boy comes running from the path behind them. He is about 12, out of breath with a red face, and clearly upset. A blue bag bounces against his side as he runs. Mom. I looked everywhere. Then he sees the phone in her hand. My phone. His mother gives him a tired face. Yes, your phone. Daniel found it. The boy turns to Daniel. Thank you. I thought it was gone forever. Daniel smiles. It was waiting for you on the bench. The little girl lifts the red ball in one hand and says proudly, He saved my ball first. Now the whole family understands. The boy laughs in embarrassment. My sister dropped the ball into the grass. I put my phone on the bench, ran after the ball, and forgot it. His mother shakes her head, but she is smiling now. You forgot your phone because you wanted to help your sister. That is not the worst reason. Daniel laughs softly. The tension is gone. Maybe next time, he says, put the phone in your pocket first. I will, the boy says. For a moment, the family stands quietly near the stand and the station sign. The mother thanks Daniel again and offers to buy him a tea, but he politely refuses. He says he was only in the right place at the right time. As he walks away, the park does not feel quite the same as before. A few minutes earlier, the empty bench looks strange and lonely. Now it feels like the beginning of something kind. Behind him, the station sign and one quiet tree are still easy to see. Daniel smiles to himself. He had planned a quiet start with nothing special in it. Instead, he found a phone, met a worried family, and helped return something important before the day had even properly begun. The empty bench, the phone screen, and the park path are easy to notice at once. A small bag, a quiet tree, and a station sign help the scene feel clear and real.